G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Digital Arts channel. Guess what I purchased today? A brand new high definition camcorder by Samsung. Yep, I finally decided to move up with the times and buy myself a brand new camera. The reason why I decided to buy a brand new camera is so I can do my demo videos in much more superior quality than I can with this Nokia E72 mobile phone camera. As you know, the motion quality is pretty crap and only about 15 frames a second, I'm guessing, and plus there's pixelation in the video, as you would see my demo videos. So I thought it's about the time I invest in a brand new camcorder. Yep, this camcorder was on special, down from I think about $248 to $128, so I thought, yeah, why not, even though I don't have a great deal of money to spend. But yeah, I thought it was well worth it. Anyway, this camcorder is a Samsung HMX-F80, which is it's a pretty good camcorder. I get high definition 1280 by 720 resolution, which is your standard high definition. It's not super high definition like 1680 by 1200. I think that's super high definition res, but it's good enough for my purposes, and is well worth the money invested. Anyway, so yeah, for now on, pretty much all my demo videos, except for when I'm on the go and I don't have this camcorder on me. Most of my demo videos will be done on my brand new Samsung camcorder, and I'll say bye bye to this Nokia E72, unless of course I'm on the go, like I'm on a bike ride or something, or I don't have my camera on me. But anyhow, I'm looking forward to making all my demo videos, on my construction work videos, on my projects and stuff. A lot of my videos on this brand new camcorder in much more superior quality colour. Anyway, I bid my Nokia E72 mobile camera farewell, and it's time to switch over to my Samsung camcorder. So switching over right now. Okay viewers, here I am on my Samsung camcorder at high definition 1280 by 720 resolution. Yep, as you can see, the pictures are much more superior than that of my Nokia E72 mobile phone camera. Motion's a lot more smoother, and I can do my videos in much better quality. Anyway, I'm just panning around the room a bit. There is overexposure at the moment for the bright outdoors, because of the fact that I've got my EV levels set up a bit high, or mid-range. Just got to lower it down in order to lower the blooming. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just randomly filming around my room. As you can see, it's always a total mess. Anyhow, this camera's got many features to it. It's got onboard digital effects like a sepia effect, black and white, some colour tone effects, and that sort of thing. It's also got a pitch and negative effect. Not sure if I can bring them on board while I'm currently recording. I might see if I can. Actually, I can bring the EV level down while I'm recording at present. So I'll lower the EV level, and the outdoors looks good. Even the indoors looks alright too. But I think it's with the EV, probably works good for when you're dealing with lower light situations. Like if I lower this down, obviously, yeah, it still looks good. I mean, the picture looks pretty much the same as what my eyes can see, but when I up the EV level, I'm guessing doesn't seem to make much difference. Try lower brightness area. Now, I'm guessing the EV's for overexposure effects, so I might as well just leave it at -2 because it makes the pictures look perfectly normal as how my eyes can see. Anyway, I'll see what else I can bring on board. Okay. There must be there's auto adjustment. I'm just talking as I'm moving the cursor around the menu while I'm got it on record. I ought to get used to this thing. Yeah, can't really bring up any options. Can't instantly switch to the onboard color effects while I'm recording. I think I have to do it before I record. Anyway, yeah, just filming around the room. I've beauty of this camera, you know, you got an SD card, which, you know, is standard with modern cameras. It's a high-speed 8GB SD card, which I bought separately, and I can just plug it straight into my card reader, and I've done that, and it works great. That's my card reader there. Handy thing that is. Read multiple different types of cards. What else can I say about this camcorder? Oh yeah, obviously you got zoom in, zoom out. Yeah. Yeah, what I might actually do is stop this recording and do some the onboard digital effects. So now it's time to switch over to these digital color effects. So stop this recording and start with the digital effects. First effect is black and white. So yeah, here we have black and white picture. Looks kind of similar. Looks a little bit similar to my Vidicon pictures, but without the lagging on the lights and stuff. So yep, this is black and white. Well, on computer I can just switch, I can just put a grayscale effect if I wanted to, but yeah, this is, yeah, black and white effect is quite popular for those who like to make short films and stuff. So that's one of the effects. Actually, yeah, I can hit the menu button to see if I can. No, menu button's not effective. So yeah, I have to stop each recording to go to the next effect. Anyway, this is black and white effect. Pretty cool. Alright, next effect. Okay, here's our next effect, which is a sepia effect. Again, another very popular photographic effect for photography and videos. Switch off my TV. Yep, I've seen a few short films being made for film fests which have been uploaded to YouTube. This sepia effect, which you know, the scene was like a 19th century cowboy western scene. Yeah, this sepia effect's quite popular with short films of that nature. So yeah, this is a pretty cool onboard effect. Quite like it myself. And of course, you know, I've obviously got video programs that also can replicate the sepia effect as well, and pretty much all the other digital effects I've got on this camera. But it's good to have it on board for instant effects, so you don't have to muck around with post-production editing. Yeah, quite a nice effect. Now for the next effect. Okay, now we're on a picture negative effect, which all colours and luminances are inverted. Yeah, this effect is, I also got this effect on my old National WVP 100N Satacon tube colour camera made in the early 80s. So yep, this effect is quite popular and it's been around with camcorders for donkey's years. So yeah, if you want to do something that's kind of you know, spacey or perhaps a horror film, this effect is pretty much a popular choice. I might adjust the EV levels to see if I can intensify the negative effect. Yeah, actually, the EV works really good for the negative effect, as you can see. I quite like it. It really intensifies everything and gives it a much more depth of field. Let's say this kind of reminds me of this negative effect. When I look at some sceneries, it kind of reminds me of that David Bowie clip Ashes to Ashes, which, you know, used some pretty cool visual effects in the video being made. Now, onto the next effect. First I'll lower the EV level. Alright, onto the next effect. Okay, this effect is a dazzle effect. Don't really see much difference from when this camera is in its normal mode. Dazzle effect, I'm not really sure about this one. If I notice too much, it kind of looks, I guess the colours are a little bit more richer. I'm guessing. I might jack up the EV level and see if I can get a more noticeable look. Okay, right, the EV back at midpoint. Yeah, I think it pretty much ramps up the colour saturation and also introduces a bit of colour confetti noise into the picture from what I can see on the viewfinder. I guess if this is the case, well, if you want to make a short film with a nice rich colour effect, then I guess this is the effect for you. Yeah, I guess from what I can see from the outdoor scenes, it does really intensify the richness of the colour. Yeah, what can I say, it's pretty cool. Anyway, not much more to say on this effect. I'll switch over to the next one. Now here we have an effect which looks quite opposite to the dazzle effect. It's called the neue effect, which from what I can see, it looks pretty much like the colours are half desaturated. I guess this is good for like movie scenes that require a very sort of dank, sort of bland kind of you know, desaturated colour kind of look, particularly, you know, I guess with horror films and stuff, or you know, or even music videos that require a rather bland sort of look to them. There's plenty of music videos out there that have that kind of desaturated colour look. So this is the neue effect. Going outdoors, as seen, yep, the colours look pretty desaturated. I'll raise the EV level once again. That's on overexpose. Anyway, not much more to say on this particular effect. Time to move on to the next effect. Okay, this is the final effect in the onboard effects list. This is the Western effect. I'm guessing this is the colour standard used for old Western colour movies, or even modern ones, I'm guessing. It's not quite clear to identify the colour in this picture, except maybe it's kind of a bit toned to the brown scale a little bit. As I think, you know, Westerns, you know, they like to sort of, some of them, they like to tone them towards the brown end. Just guess off the top of my head. Don't take me as gospel on that one, but just a guess. Yeah, kind of looks a bit similar to the neue effect, but yeah, a little bit more brown toned. I'll raise up the EV level again and see how it looks. Yeah, the colours, like the neue effect, look a bit desaturated. So yeah, that's the Western effect. So that's the last effect. Now we'll switch it back to its normal mode. Okay, I'm back in the normal mode now. Anyway, I'm very impressed with this camcorder. I look forward to making many videos of it. Particularly my construction videos. I can make instant videos on the spot, and the card's easily just removable from the camcorder. I can just stick it straight into my card reader and I have instant video. So yep, I'm quite impressed with this camera. Glad I picked it up for a cheap price of 128 bucks. It's a good investment for me. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video demo on my brand new Samsung camcorder. This is Troy from Troy's Digital Arts channel, signing out.